Welcome back. We're going to do a quick little tutorial on how to insert a form or a worksheet into OneNote, but then set it so that it can't be moved around. So here's an example of one that I've put in. If I click on this, I can't move around, but kids can go through, they can add text box in, type what they want. They can also take their pens and draw out their math that they see within this. So what people have been experiencing is they've put in a lesson, and when they put that lesson in, it comes in as a PDF printout, and then when they click on it, the problem is that it can move around. So kids are moving this around and then wonder why pages keep moving. So we want that to be able to just be set in as a background so that it doesn't change, and that way students don't have to worry about how to do that. So quickly, and then I'll walk through the entire process. This one's already in, so I am in Microsoft Windows 10 OneNote app, which is what I recommend people using, the app or Office 365. That's another video coming out, so I'll explain that in another video. So really, when you're putting this in, you're just going to right click. Once you've highlighted this, if I click off, I click on it, I'm just going to right click on it, and I'm going to, if I don't see set picture as background, there'll be another tab that says picture, and then set the picture as a background, and I'll show you that when we walk through a full one. So I hit set picture as background, and now this doesn't move, right? So kids can't move around. So the full process is we'll add a page, we'll put in a new lesson. So I'm going to go to insert. If it's already a PDF, that helps, otherwise you can just insert it as a file. I'm going to pick the lesson that I want. It will insert the file. So now my lesson has been put into my notebook. Alright. So say I was working with this, I want to highlight this. As I do that, right, this is now a movable image, so the kids can be moving around. So we've inserted it, right click. Now I don't see set as background. If I go down to picture, click there, set picture as background. And when I put that in the background, now I can't move it. It's now the background of the page, and students won't have this moving around on them when they're trying to write or draw or answer questions. So that's it. Insert it as a PDF, right click on it, set picture as background. Thanks for watching, and in an upcoming video I'll explain why we should be moving to Office 365 OneNote or the OneNote app and away from OneNote 2016. So keep tuned for that information coming out.